Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2012 BMW K1600GTL. This is a really nice motorcycle. It's a luxury touring bike from BMW. It's got a 6-cylinder inline liquid cooled 6-cylinder motor. The cylinders are actually tilted forward a little bit, kind of gives it a lower center of gravity, a little better handling. Got lots of torque, puts out about 160 horsepower. This bike comes with the lockable bags and tour pack. Really large, nice, comfortable saddle. It sets down nice and deep for the rider, so you got some good lower lumbar support there. Got your charge outlet up here. The bike comes with electronic cruise control. It's got anti-lock brakes. This bike's got a nav system on it. Adjustable windshield. It's got heated hand grips, heated seat. Beautiful dark metallic blue, black, and kind of a titanium color, I think is what they call that. Got an extra set of driving lights down low here. Dual front disc anti-lock brakes, excellent tire. Noticed it might be a little, well, that actually I think may have, no, that looks like just a little rub right across there. I noticed back here on this bag, it's got a little bit of a rash right there on the bag. Rear tire's got a lot of miles left on it as well. LED type tail light there. In beautiful condition. Let's see how many miles we got on it. Pretty low miles. It has got, let's see, the menu here. You can go through all kinds of goodies here. Showing 1,317 miles, but I don't think that's trip one. There we go. 5,557 miles on this bike. I'll often let you listen to it. Nice and smooth. The 6-cylinder engine is very smooth, very powerful, about 160 horses. Got all your controls here. You turn your volume up for your radio right here. Got your windshield here, the fog or the lights, cruise, things right here at your fingertips. It does have a touch screen here that you can touch and get your map for your nav. All this information down here on the menu, you just scroll through the menu and it gives you all kinds of goodies. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Or you can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike went through our shop and was checked out, service and safety check, so it's ready for the highway. Got lots of good financing and extended warranty options for it. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.